previous class we also discussed about plagiarism, but the basic concept and the basic definition was discussed, and that was all. Today we will be talking about plagiarism in detail and its consequences in research and in academia. You see, gradually once human beings they appear to be advanced in different studies and in knowledge disciplines. So they kind of transfer from oral culture to the literate culture. So human beings, you see, at one point of time they somewhere from time immemorial to 1500, that is now called in Q nebula. So people say that books published before 1501, they are called as in Q nebula. So that is very obvious that if that kind of situation is there, every Jack and Jim can get his or her book published. So there will be for certain. In the fourth stage, the readership was booming. Booming means everybody was reading and having a book. So that is quite natural. That readership might have been on a huge level. So if readership was there, so there might have been requirement of copies, more readership, guest authorship, and then ghost authorship, right? So this was earlier discussed in the previous class. So we have already discussed this. We will not go in detail to discuss the same, and definition was also given in the previous class. So 3G: guest authorship, guest authorship, and ghost authorship. In the same way, there are 3 P's in publication and in authorship. There are 3 P's that we have. So the first P stands for prestige. When you publish certain things in one particular discipline, you consider it to be a prestige. It appears to be prestigious. All right. It appears to be very valuable. It adds value to your personality. It gives you a great value in academy if you are there. So the second P stands for promotion. In life, in whatever stage you are, once you publish, once you become an author, so you are promoted from one level to another level. So authorship and publication gives you some kind of promotion as per the context you have in your life, in your profession. And the third P that we have in authorship is pay. So you see, in many of the universities, in private universities, in state universities, in central universities, you see once a professor publishes a book or once a professor publishes a paper, he is given one increment in his. So today we conclude our discussion at the end. In the end, I would like to say that artificial intelligence might create a lot of easiness in your research work, in your academic work, but